Hello everyone. As you can see, I am getting an error that OS is not defined, and if I run this program, Python manage.py run server, then you will see I will get this name error again. As you can see, I am getting this error. As you can see, if you are faced this problem, then here is the solution. As you can see, there is a error, name OS is not defined. Did you forget to import OS? So basically what's happening here, we are actually forgetting to import our OS from Python. So in the beginning of this file, actually this is a settings.py in our project folder. So in here we will write just import.os, and as you can see our problem is solved. And if I run this program again, and you will see it will work perfectly. And if I run this, then you will see that it's working perfectly. And if I click this link, then you will see that our link is working perfectly. So hope this video will help you, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I will make more videos to solve your problem. Thank you.